Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is head over to the settings. And right there. Once you're here, click See More in Account Center. Then Personal Details. Now click Account Ownership and Control. Then click Deactivation or Deletion. Click your Facebook account. From here, you will also be given the option to delete your account. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deactivate your account, so we're just going to stick with that. Just click Continue. Then type in your password. Then click Continue. Now select one of these options. I'm just going to select the first one as an example. Then click Continue. Now since I chose taking a break from Facebook, it'll give me the option to automatically reactivate my account after a certain amount of days, as you can see here. But we're also given the option to not do so. Anyway, just click Continue. And all you have to do is click Deactivate my account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.